Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stretch a video on the Clipchamp application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Clipchamp application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. Of course, if you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll need to go and download it through a Microsoft Store or any browser you could be possibly using. And of course, if you are a Windows 11 user, you must have it already downloaded into your PC. Of course, if you are a Windows 10 user, you can find it already downloaded into your PC, but you can not find it. So of course, if you have it, just go and open it up. But if you don't, you will need to go and download it. And of course, the download steps must be easy because you must have been downloaded something in your PC before, and it will be the same steps. So of course, if you just download it or if you have it, let's just go and open the application as I'm going to do here to follow this tutorial steps. And of course, normally that will be actually your home screen or your main screen in the application, and you would like to log in into your account if you have an account. But if you don't, you'll need to go and create one. So you can actually use the application for free, and you can actually even pay a subscription if you want, monthly or even yearly if you want. So you will have more features on the application. And here you can actually start like creating or editing a new video or record something in the application, then edit on it. Or you can just go here and choose some of their templates. As you can see, they have a lot, or you can just go and continue editing on one of your videos here. Which I'm going to do here, I'm just going to open some of my recent videos that I already started editing on. So let's just click on it. And here, we would like to stretch this video. So let me just delete that. And of course, there's two ways to stretch the video. You can actually just go here and zoom in. As you can see, the video will be stretched. Or you can, if you want to stretch it by making it like slower, reduce the speed of it, you can just go click on it to select it, then go to speed here and make it like slower, and that will actually stretch your video even more. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.